What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting the day at my house. I'm currently in my backyard, and if you've been following along, you know that we've poured a couple footings for my back deck out here, and also in the front of the house we poured 2 more footings and a little foundation footing wall type of thing, which we see here. So we poured these 2 footings, those both have anchor bolts in them, and then we poured this little wall here. The reason I poured this wall is so when my driveway gets paved, this will all get paved in here, and then I have a little area to keep my garbage cans. So I have to move my garden hose because that is going to be under the front deck there, or front porch, whatever you want to call it, and obviously I won't be able to reach it. So I think I'm gonna stub it out through the wall here somewhere, get a little wheel and keep the hose on the wheel there. But obviously we have quite a bit of work until we are ready for that. So today I'm going to the lumber yard and I'm picking up all of the material for this front porch. This is a 5 by 24 front porch. The town limited us on how far off the house we could come. We had the guy from the building department here, and he said we can only go 5 feet because it's too close to the road or something like that. So that's what we're doing. We don't know exactly where the staircase is going to come down. Most likely it'll come right here and then turn on a platform and go to the driveway, but we're going to figure that out later once we get all of the framing done. I have a ticket in at the lumber yard and I'm about to head there, pay for it, and pick all that stuff up. All right, guys, I just got my ticket here and we are heading across the street. The lumber yard is right over there to pick all this material. All right, so the first thing on our list is 2x8 16s, but they're down there. So we're gonna grab the second thing, which is 12 2x8 10 footers. All right, now we need 2 16 footers. So I think the rest of the stuff is in the store. It's 2x6 hangers and 6x6 post bases. So I hope they have them out here, but I might have to go back across the street and head in the store and grab them. All right, guys, I just pulled back up to my house. I got all the material here. I'm gonna lay it right here somewhere. Don't know exactly where, probably right in front here. That way it's not in our way and we don't have to move it again when we come to work on it. But I also have all of the post bases, which are these, and the hangers, which are these guys. So I had to grab them out of the store. But let me get everything unloaded and then we'll go over the price of all of this.
Let's go.
Alright guys, got all the lumber dropped here on the side. I put it over here so it's out of the way and we could set up sawhorses right here, hopefully in the shade here tomorrow, because it is getting hot out here. But I'm gonna put the hangers and the post bases in my garage or my basement, that way they're not sitting outside. But let me grab the ticket real quick and we'll go over the price. So let's see, total price for all this material. Keep in mind this is just the framing. It doesn't include the staircase, it doesn't include the trex, doesn't include the railings. So pretty much everything except all that stuff came to $478.98. So pretty much 480 bucks, which isn't terrible, but it's also only a 5 by 24 deck. For the back deck, it is going to be, I think it's a 12 by 20 or something like that. So it's going to be about double. That also doesn't include any of the concrete work, and obviously it doesn't include labor prices. So about 500 bucks just in material for this. So this stuff is not cheap, which is also why I have been in no rush to get it done. But it will be nice to actually have a front deck on my house again. It has been quite some time since I've had one. Luckily I have a basement door and I just use that. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow me and my dad will be here framing this. We will get this all done. It's not that big of a deck, so that'll be the next video. I think that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.